And good morning, good evening, good afternoon, students and traders all around the world. This is FXFreedom broadcasting you live on YouTube. And this is Forex trading course, everybody. Remember, trading is a learnable skill. When we learn in the correct way the three pillars, pillar number 1 is the market, pillar number 2 is the strategy. So step by step, pillar number 3 is the trader. Talking about the trader, we are going to learn more in the Forex course 202, the advanced course. And we are learning about the market with those modules seen here on the left. We are in the intermediate module and we are learning the Fibonacci so far. As always, remember, if this is your first time with us, please go back to Dukascopy YouTube webinar page, start to watch modules, basic module, lesson number 1, what is market structure, and Forex course 101. You are going to graduate from this course when you have your chart set up and ready for trading, everybody. Okay? Remember, 90% of traders lose money in the Forex market worldwide. The stream, it's not a webinar, the webinar, it's not a trading or investment advice. The stream is for educational purposes only. Always remember, don't trade with money that you cannot afford to lose. Okay, and for homeworks and questions, you have my Gmail contact, my Skype contact, and you can follow me on TradingView. That being said, everybody, today we are going to work with Canada CHF. Okay, so in here, you are graduating from this course when you have your chart set up and ready for trading. So your CHF daily chart by now should look like something like this. Everybody agreed? And if you want to put, somebody's typing, oh, why is that? Well, because we've learned support, resistance, pivot points. We learned about the yellow line, we learned about the market wave. And we also learned, if you want to be more specific, we learned about the short-term trends. Right? So being more specific, you know, your trading chart should look like Canada CHF daily chart is just an example, okay, but your trading chart, if you're building the chart with the knowledge, should look like something like this. Somebody's typing, oh, but I don't like short-term trends, or you might not like the market wave, then take it out, okay, but in order to make money in this market, you need to have your charts ready. Make sense, everybody? Exactly. Analyzing the chart is not trading. Analyzing the chart means analyzing the chart, you know? Okay? Now, trading Fibonacci numbers, the Contrarian Fibonacci in an uptrend. So, we are going to do an exercise right now. We are going to remember how to draw the original one, and then we are going to go to the Contrarian. So this is our A, in here we are going to have our B, and in here we have our C, and then we have our D, A, B, C, D. Tell me, everybody, if this is my first time that I'm charting the Fibonacci's, and this is Canada CHF daily chart, where should I start drawing my A? Is the first circle the A? Is the second circle the A? Or is the third circle the A? Where should I start my A? Yes, don't be shy, everybody, there is no right or wrong, we're here to learn. And I have a 20 seconds delay on the chat. Once you type in the chat first circle, second circle, third circle, then I have a 20 seconds delay on the chat. Queen second, very good. Yes, ma'am. Second circle is correct. This is our A, everybody. And which one is the correct B? Is the first circle, is the second circle, or is the third circle up in here? Lucky the first. No, sir. The second one is the correct answer, everybody. The A is the, so in an up sequence, the A is the lowest low, is the absolute low, is the starting point of some pattern. Make sense? Not a problem. We're here to learn. Second one. What about the B? The first circle is the correct B, everybody. The second circle is the B. Or the third. Which one is the correct B? Queen says second again. What about you, Loki? Dancy, second one. Teacher Loki, what about you? And yes, the second one is correct, everybody. So do yourself a favor and help yourself with the horizontal lines. Do this exercise with me, alright? If you don't have Fibonacci's on Canada CHF daily chart, okay, this pair is making some problems to some traders. This is why we are here today charting. Okay, A to B, we're going to take the Fibonacci retracement tool, we're going to spread it from A to B. Okay, now which one is our C? The C is the lowest point, not necessarily a low, inside the AB boundary after the B, before the market hits the appropriate D extension. Is the first circle the C, everybody, or is the second circle the C? Which one is the C? Freedom, can you repeat? Yes, sir. The C, and remember, we are going to use the same rules with the contrarian Fibonacci. Loki says B is the second circle. Yes, sir. Okay. The same rules applies to the contrarian, and the same rules are going to apply in the future to the so-called Fibonacci of the confirmation. Dancy says the first circle. Yes, sir. There you go. This is our C. Okay, now C retracement is related to the D extension, right? Which one is our D extension then? Is the first circle our D extension? Is the second circle our D extension? Or is the third circle our D extension? Oh, let me trick you, right? Let me trick you, everybody. Let me trick you. Is this third circle the D, or is the fourth circle the D? Let me try to trick you, right? We are here to learn. Which one is the appropriate D extension, everybody? Is the first circle... Some of you already typed in the chat, right? So one more time. Is the first circle... Remember, it's a tricky question up in here. Okay, don't get angry at me. I'm telling you already, I'm trying to trick you. Which one is the appropriate extension? The first circle, the second circle, or the third, or the fourth? Queen says 4, Dancy 4th. Very good, excellent, everybody. The fourth is the D extension. Exactly, thank you very much. Great job, Dancy. The third one, right? I was trying to trick you. So that this one is not a high. Very good, excellent. So A goes, not this one, this was support, A goes to C, and B goes up to D, A, B, C, D, okay. Fibonacci retracement tool, one more time, so this is our C, this is our A, and if the chart looks like too messy, everybody delete the previous Fibonacci. So we have A, B, we're going to zoom out a little bit, zoom out, right, zoom out. Okay, everybody, now which one is our C this time? Is the first circle our C? Is the second circle our C? Is the third circle, which one is our C? First circle, second circle, third circle. Yes, we're going to wait to find the original Fibonacci, the most recent one, and then we're going to draw the contrarian Fibonacci in an uptrend. Everybody, the same way we are doing on Canada CHF, you can do this on Canada JPY, GBP JPY, Euro JPY, okay? Those are the easiest ones. The second C, very good. The second is the C. So one more time, correlation. Now this is the C. Which one is our D? The extension. Which one is our D extension, everybody? Is the first circle our D extension. Is the second circle our D extension. Is the third circle our D extension, or is the fourth circle our D extension? Which one is the appropriate D extension? And then I think we are one more to go before we are going to draw the contrarian and try to make some sense, right? A lot of traders these days are sending me emails and asking, you know, what do you think? Is the market crazy? And answer, well, no, not really, right? Oh, but the market's going up and down. Well, the market is always going up and down. You know, the market must wave, right? So we need to, everybody, we need to train the skill of not listen to the noise. Make sense? Okay? Not everything that you are seeing on the chart, it's relevant or important. Yes, take a pen and paper, everybody, and let's write this down. Okay? For the growing trader, advanced, intermediate, learn the skill to separate the noise. Let's write this down, pen and paper. Not everything that I'm seeing on the chart is relevant or important. Hello Allah, how are you? Allah, how is your trading going? Queen says third circle, Dancy third circle, Loki third circle. Okay, everybody, so we're going to check, right? We are going to check, and Fibonacci rules, retracement, red level, red retracement goes to red level extension. So we are going to put a horizontal line, and as you can see, everybody, the market did not hit up in here, right? So we are going to move to the third circle, and we are going to check if the third circle is a high. Okay, so we're going to move our horizontal line in here, and we are going, so number one, it's not, this one we don't know. Let's check the third circle. if the third circle is a high, right? We're going to zoom in, and yes, congratulations to you everybody. This is the correct extension. We have a high, a center candle with 2 candles on the left and 2 candles on the right. So this is our extension. So one last time, A goes to C. We have already our B goes to D, and Fibonacci retracement tool. And if this is messing with your head, everybody, delete the previous Fibonacci. We have a new sequence this time. Okay, so we have our A is down in here, our B is down in here, and we are here right now. Okay, so our C, everybody, which one is our C? One last time, talking about the original Fibonacci. The first circle is the C. Is the second circle the C? Or is the third circle the C? Which one is our C? Ala says, okay, I'm doing okay, great, very good, excellent. Which one is the C? And of course, green goes to green. Our D extension is up in here. Okay. Second, yes ma'am, very good, excellent, congratulations. Okay. Now we have our ABCD on the daily chart. Somebody's asking on the other streaming platform, not YouTube, didn't the market hit the D? Let's check. Great question. Let's check, everybody. You can check like this. You can put a horizontal line, and the number is the green D extension. The number is 0.78173. So we are going to dive in the chart. You are going to zoom in here. Well, looks like that the market did not hit, but we're going to check with the widget, and we're going to put the mouse on the candle, high 78115. So roughly for 50 pips, about 50 pips, the market did not hit the D extension, right? Okay, so the answer is no, the market did not hit the D extension, not yet. Okay. Now, what do we want to know? We want to know is now the right time, probability wise. This is the counter trend line. This is the more aggressive one. The market is breaking the aggressive counter trend line right now at this very moment. We want to understand if I'm going to buy this market or maybe short right now. So today, how is my trade positioned probability wise, right? So you are seeing something like this, everybody, and we are going to need our sub. So we're going to lower the scale. So sub A, you can name it 1, 2, 3, 4, doesn't matter, sub A, and edit label sub B, clone edit label sub C, and edit label, oops, not this one, clone edit sub A, sub B, sub C, edit label one more time, sub A, sub B, sub C, sub D. Okay, now we are going to draw the contrarian Fibonacci, okay, what is called in an uptrend. Okay, we learned yesterday that the contrarian Fibonacci is nothing more than a Fibonacci that is going to go in the opposite direction So we have an up Fibonacci, original one. The market wave is up. Okay, up Fibonacci sequence, uptrend, up market wave. And what else can we do? You know, we are building our charts, uptrend line, right? So the market is in an uptrend. General direction. We learned about relevant highs and lows. Market wave is up. And right now we can see that the market wave and the Fibonacci, both of them are in an extension or in a retracement. Type in the chat, everybody. You are analyzing your chart. You are seeing something like this. You have an up Fibonacci and up market wave. But is the Fibonacci and the wave, are those tools or indicators extending or are they retracing right now? Are we in a retracement, meaning the market is falling and making lower lows, lower highs as a direction, or is the market in an extension? It's making higher highs, higher lows. No, the candle, it's, everybody, we learned about candles. Candles are related to timing. Okay? But we are trying to identify direction right now. So you have an up Fibonacci and you have an up market wave, but if you would buy in here, you would, me too, we're all the same. If I would buy in the wrong place, I would lose, right? The market short term, right? The yellow market wave is long term. But short term, the shortened trend is down. We need to check, is the C is confirmed? If C is confirmed, we are in an extension. Not yet. Not yet. Extension, everybody, we've learned this. Extension is where the market, this is the first extension. Look at the yellow line, everybody. Then this is the retracement, and then this is the next extension, and then this is the next retracement. Okay? Just because you have a confirmed C, everybody, this does not mean necessarily that you are in an extension. We've learned this in the previous lessons. The change in the short-term trend is going to signal us the start of the extension. Make sense? You might have a confirmed C in here. Just an example. You might have a confirmed C, right, in here, so the A would be somewhere in here, but the market didn't start higher highs, higher lows. Okay, confirmed C, but the market, it's not making higher highs, higher lows, not yet. So we are not in an extension, not yet. Okay, Dancy? So we are, everybody, so far we are in a retracement right now, agreed? We have an up Fibonacci, original one. We have an up market wave, yellow line, but the market is retracing, is going against us, making lower lows, lower highs, lower lows, lower highs, agreed? Okay, great. So if we are going to use the same rules, right? What is the A? The A is the highest high, is the absolute high, is the starting point of a pattern. Which one is my sub A? Is the first circle my sub A, everybody? Is the second circle the correct sub A? or is the third circle the correct sub A? Which one? And congratulations to you, everybody. A lot of people are on vacation, you know, they're having fun, you know, at the sea, you know, at the beach, right? And you are here learning. It's August, so congratulations to you. No, I'm not going to learn in August. Well, you are an adult. What can I tell you? Sub A in this situation is the D. So first circle, then C, right? Same rules apply, everybody, you know. This is our sub A. Why is this the correct sub A, everybody? Not because of the D. It just happens in here that is the D is the same level, but this is our sub A because this is the highest high, right? This is the highest high, this is the first high, this is the absolute high, or this is the starting point of a pattern, like the short-term downtrend, the red line. We are hungry for trading knowledge. Great. Great, great, great. So if this is our sub A, everybody, and the same rules apply, which one is our sub B? The first circle or the second circle? Which one is our sub B? First circle, second circle, first. Very good. This is our, right? Now, in order to help yourself, everybody, you can, when you are charting the subs, right? You can delete this one and you can delete this one. Well, I'm going to put it back. So you can use the horizontal lines on the subs too. So this is our sub A, this is our sub B. Fibonacci retracement tool. We are going to spread from sub B to sub A, right? Now, which one is our sub C? Is the first circle our sub C, everybody, or is the second circle our sub C? Yes, we are trying to understand if we are going to go long right now on the counter trend line or trend line, right? Fibonacci probabilities. Are we entering a 50-50% probability trade, or are we trading an 80 to 85 probability trade? Queen says first, Nancy first. Excellent, very good. So this is our sub C up in here, and our sub D is the first circle, everybody, or is the second? Which one is our sub D? I can see the meaning of relevant highs and lows here. Very good, excellent, Olufemi. Freedom, should we buy Canada CHF right now? You need to decide, everybody. Those streams are not advice, makes sense? We cannot tell you what to do, right? If you want to join, you can join what is called the New York session every day, but again, we are not advising you, makes sense? We are looking for entries, we are looking for trades. No, we don't give signals, everybody. You need to do your work, right? Then see first one, Allah says second one. So red goes to red. Allah, the first one is the correct answer. Queen says first. Okay, everybody? The first circle is the correct answer because sub A to sub B, sub B to sub C, red goes to red, and here is where the market hits the appropriate the extension. And I need to check the level here, so price it's 7392. 7392. This candle is at 7394. So this is the appropriate sub D extension. Okay, Allah, the market hit the D extension in here. So again, sub A goes to sub C, and sub B goes to, exactly, sub B goes to sub D. And Fibonacci retracement tool, talking about the contrarian. We're going to delete this one. There you go, everybody. This is the chart for the ones that you are going to use the Fibonacci's, and I'm talking about this in here. You are going to graduate from this course when, number one, you have your chart set up and ready for trading. This would be an example so far. Okay? Now, let's make a poll, everybody. I'm your student, you're my teacher. Teachers, should we buy this market or should we sell this market right now? Should we buy, should we sell, and where should we put our stop loss? Everybody, this is what you see, right? Okay, we're going to have two teams. Okay, like on Google, we are going to have two teams. Okay, and we are going to have here team that wants to go long, and clone, here we have a team that wants to go short. Don't tell me tomorrow, everybody, right now. Short. Okay? Look at your chart of Canada CHF and type in the chat, what would you do? This is what you see, everybody. Would you buy Canada? Remember, there is no right or wrong. Okay? There is no right or wrong. Would you buy this currency pair right now? Or would you sell this currency pair right now? You have technical reasons for you to believe that the market is going to go up, and you have also technical reasons to believe that this market is going to go down. So type in the chat if you are in a team that wants to buy this market, or type in the chat if you are in a team that wants to short this market, and type in the chat, and this is the learning experience. Type in the chat why. Dancy says stay out, 50% chance to go up. We can put contrarian on contrarian to calculate probability to go short because we're making lower lows and lower highs. Everybody, let's give me a second. There you go. Everybody, let's have a conversation right now. Okay. Concept, everybody. Trading concept. Let's have a conversation, me and you right now. trading concept. You should not base your trading decision if enter into the market or not. You should not base your trading decision if enter into the market or not just because the Fibo has or has not a confirmed C. Okay, I know some of you online, everybody, right? Okay, let's have a conversation right now, me and you. Trading, not charting, not analyzing concept. Okay, it's a trading concept. Freedom, show me how to make money. Here you have it. This is me showing you and teaching you how to make money. You should not base your trading decision if enter into the market or not just because of the Fibonacci, meaning just because the Fibonacci has or has not a confirmed C. Not just Dancy, everybody, are we clear? Fibonacci is a great tool, yes it is. The confirmed C is going to increase our probability, yes it is. But you cannot make money in this market. Oh, I'm going to stay out and I'm going to stay out and I'm going to stay out. You need to enter the market, enter the market, enter the market. I know somebody's typing boss, but I'm going to lose. Forex course 101. Everybody, you need to understand and burn into your mind that you understand why you win and why you lose. This is the learning part. Make sense? Staying out of the market, it's not going to help you. Boss, but I'm scared. Welcome to the club. You must understand, everybody, burn this into your mind. You cannot stay out. No, we are not suggesting you to do stupid things either, but you cannot stay, oh, I'm going to stay out because it doesn't have a confirmed C. Oh, I'm going to stay out because it doesn't have a confirmed C. Right? I'm waiting for this and this and that. Well, you are not going to learn, everybody, makes sense? So, exactly. Traders, why do you think the market is moving right now? Exactly. This market is moving at this very moment. Why? Because traders all around the world are trading right now. Make sense, everybody? Staying out, it's not the solution. Oh, but you told me that if the market doesn't have a confirmed C, this is a 50% rate. This stands. But the market is not moving just because of the Fibonacci's, everybody. Make sense? You need to understand and process all of this together. Not just the confirmed C, or before it was, oh, are you going to short the market? No, why not? Oh, because I'm at the pivot point. Boss, I'm not going to trade at support resistance pivot point. Well, if you're not going to trade at support resistance pivot point, when, for God's sakes, are going to enter? Make sense, everybody? We need to understand and learn how this market works, how this market moves, so that you can analyze and make an educated prediction, an educated decision. Okay? Staying out. Yes, there is a time that we are staying out, but not, not today, right? The queen I would buy when we get the confirmed C. Okay, a la fourth. Olufemi, this is where I get confused, Freedom. Is sub B the C of the original Fibonacci? Olufemi, answer, sometimes yes, sometimes no. In this case, this is the C, okay, and the sub B is here. Olufemi, don't mix apples and bananas. This is the C of the original one, A, B, C, and this is the sub B. Alice at first, most times the C is usually a double bottom at sub B. No such rule, Olufemi. Then says, okay, then long because original Fibonacci is up, we are above the trend line, we break aggressive counter trend line, and negative is we are making lower low and lower high and not confirmed C. Congratulations! There you see, everybody? Dancy is becoming a trader. Excellent. I'm proud of you, Dancy. Congratulations to you. This is the learning part. How many of us, everybody, agree with Dancy? Everybody, give me a second. I need to take something. Okay, sorry about that. Yes, we're still here, everybody. How many of you agree with Dancy? Dancy is going long. Team long. Dancy is one. Anybody else? Dancy, where would you put your stop loss? Dancy wants to go long, okay. And Dancy is saying, okay, long because the original Fibonacci is up. So we don't have a confirmed C, right? But the market is in here right now, somewhere, right? This is an area of support. Agreed, everybody? Agreed? You can disagree too, not a problem. This is an area, the violet line, this is an area of support, and the market bounced up and down. This area, the market bounced. One. There is no right or wrong, you can go short too. 2 times. The market bounced 3 times. The market is bouncing right now. So I have an up market wave, up Fibonacci original one. The market is kind of near the uptrend line. And yesterday the market closed with the bullish candle. And today, so far, right now, the market is breaking the aggressive counter trend line. So maybe, you know, maybe I can go long, right? Make sense, everybody? Oh, but it's a 50% rate, says someone on the other. Everybody, again, let's have a conversation. 50%, okay, so how can we say this? It's a trading, again, trading concept. Don't mix Fibonacci probabilities with general trade probabilities. Everybody makes sense? Somebody is asking, oh, but you said that it's 50%. You are mixing apples with bananas, everybody. Don't mix Fibonacci probabilities with general typo in here, general trade probabilities. Fibonacci is another tool, right? Dance is getting this, everybody. Sure enough, if we would have a confirmed C somewhere down in here, this would increase our probabilities even more. But long term, up Fibonacci sequence, up market wave, up trend line, those indicators, those tools have some weight probability wise. Make sense? So when you say, oh, but you told me that Fibonacci is 50%, you are mixing apples with bananas. Make sense, everybody? Fibonacci is one more tool. So if you ask me, you know, that this is no guarantee, no investment or trading advice, this is a great level to buy. Okay, everybody, are we clear? Does anybody have any questions about this concept down in here? Don't mix. When we're talking about, oh, this is an 80% rate, this is a 50% rate, we're talking about Fibonacci, not a trade in general. Okay, everybody, are we clear? The Queen, well, if we based our trading decision on the Fibonacci, then we go long now. What about risk reward? We must put the stop loss below the A. Great question. Great question. What do you think? Great question, everybody. So if you are seeing something like this, right, and you are learning the Fibonacci's, and Queen is absolutely correct, you know, if this is my stop loss, the risk reward ratio, see, everybody, how it's not that difficult to learn how to trade. You are getting it. Congratulations to you. So if you say, well, risk reward ratio doesn't work, and it's true, then what can we do? We have this kind of conversation already, everybody. This is the chart, right? And I want to buy this market, I want to go long. If I put the stop loss below the A, I cannot trade. Now we are moving to another area, it's called patterns, right? I cannot trade. I'm using the Fibonacci to analyze the market, to get an understanding of the general direction, but I cannot trade this pattern. What is the solution? Nancy says, because of the market wave, we can put stop loss below the C. Don't mix apples with bananas, but I understand what you say. So Nancy says, well, Nancy is saying, yeah, I'm mumbling time to time, I speak too fast. Nancy is saying, well, I cannot put the stop loss below the A, but I can trade another pattern. I can trade the market wave, the yellow one. Right? So stop loss goes. Don't use the word C, everybody, then you're going to mix apples with bananas. But I'm going to put my stop loss below the most recent start of the extension, right? And because the market wave doesn't have predictable levels, I can project that I'm going to go, this is going to be 1 for 2 trade. Just an example. So every single time, everybody, that risk reward it's not working, what is the answer? Exactly. Find another pattern to trade. So market wave is one, Fibonacci is the other, right? Do we have other tradable patterns in here? Well, it's not confirmed yet, but we have double bottoms, right? You can say, okay, I'm going long on those double bottoms in here. Double bottoms, this is a tradable pattern, right? You can go long, you can buy the market, and stop loss goes somewhere in here. Do we have any other patterns? Yes, we do. I can say, okay, I am going long on the uptrend line. So the stop loss is going to be down in here. Congratulations to you, everybody. If you can understand that, so today from this lesson, if you can grasp and understand that you don't need to stay out of the market. You know, the market is always presenting us opportunities to enter. The queen, then I would buy uptrend and the lower time frame, but then I would put the stop loss below the previous lows. Excellent, congratulations. Loki says, yes sir, making sense. Okay, everybody, try to trade. But I'm going to lose. Welcome to the club. You are going to lose anyway. Okay, everybody, do yourself a favor. If you want this profession for real, you cannot allow yourself to stay out. Allow yourself to trade, everybody. Open a demo account for starters. You know, open a demo account and trade. And when you lose, make sense out of the losers. Okay? Yes, exactly. Don't come crying here, you know. Oh, you know, not this year it's a little bit less, but last year, in the previous years. You know, oh, Freedom, why did you reject my application on the Forex course 202? Because you are missing the number 2. Maybe you have number 1 more or less, maybe you have number 3 more or less. Nobody's perfect, but you are missing the number 2. Make sense, everybody? Allow yourself to trade like we are doing right now. We have reasons to go long and we have reasons to go short. And next week, or the market is going to be like this, or the market is going to be like this, or the market is going to be like this. So it doesn't really matter at this stage if I am winning or if I am losing, right? Because the skill that I'm trying to learn is the understanding of why did I win, why did I lose. If the market went up, right? If the market went up and we won, you know, here is the question. Why the heck did I win? Well, I won because of up market wave, up Fibonacci, original one, uptrend line, and the original one is stronger than the contrarian. This is why I won. Right? The market went against me and I lost. Okay, why did I lost? Well, because I was buying when the daily downtrend, the daily trend were still down. So I was buying at the wrong time. Example. I was buying when the short-term trend was still down. The short-term trend, the extension, retracement, extension stuff, I was buying in here. I was buying here where I should really start buying in here. Congratulations again. Oh, but I just lost. Congratulations, because you just made sense of a loser. And lastly, now I didn't lose, I didn't win. Why is that? Well, the market entered in consolidation. Congratulations to you. Bo, but I didn't make any money. Congratulations to you. You made sense out of the market. You didn't win or you didn't lose, but still you know why. Isn't this great information, everybody? Olufemi, I am beginning to see the importance of candlestick formation at turning points, at pivot points. Fibonacci's give you idea of how far the price will likely to go. I'm no longer a beginner trader. Wow, congratulations. Everybody, homework until tomorrow. Find the original Fibonacci and the contrarian one on what? Type in the chat, everybody. Do you want Canada JPY, GBP JPY, or Euro JPY? Which one? Yes, I'm going to give you a homework. Let's make a poll. Homework until tomorrow. Have your original Fibonacci and the contrarian on the daily chart on. And this is the pool. You can choose between Euro JPY, GBP JPY, or Canada JPY. Loki says GBP, Euro. Queen, Dancy, what about the two of you? Allah, what do you want? The majority is going to win, alright? Don't take it personally. The majority is going to win. We have 1 GBP, 1 Euro. We need 2 or 3 more. Dancy maybe, Queen. Which one do you prefer? Allah and everybody else online. Type in the chat. So you can choose between Euro JPY or Canada JPY. Somebody's asking why not USD JPY, because USD JPY is not the easiest one. Or GBP JPY, right? Dancy Euro. Queen, what about you? Allah maybe. We have 2 Euro JPYs, 1 GBP JPY. Yes, you can do all of them, but just for homework wise, so we can check together tomorrow. Okay, everybody, I need to go, I'm sorry, so let's beat it, everybody, okay? Let's do this on Euro JPY. Okay, Loki? Don't take it personally. Allah, Euro. Okay, everybody, so tomorrow, this is the homework. You do it by yourself, try to do it alone. Or not, this is a community here. Ask for help, connect with other traders. And tomorrow we are going to check and talk about Euro JPY. Until tomorrow, stay strong and trade for freedom. Don't trade for money, trade for freedom. You want to be free, right?